Today is Saturday, February 5th. This is 1970 to 1976 Cadillac convertible power motor. This is a beautiful, pristine unit. It's been completely checked out and serviced. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test before I ship it to my friend Maurice, okay, for his 76 Eldorado. So I'll go ahead and connect the power to extension. And that is the extension mode. Now we'll go ahead and do the retraction. And that's retraction, extension, retraction, extension, retraction. Okay, that's the high velocity, high torque motor for my friend Maurice. And this will be going out as soon as I package it up. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, February 5th. Thank you very kindly.